Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your AirPods Pro 3 from your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top. But if you don't have this icon, go to the control panel and then click arrow icon near to the Bluetooth. Now go to the Bluetooth settings and we can remove them. Click the information icon near to your earbuds. Then at the left side you will find the button Forget this device. Click at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds but leave them at the device list to reconnect your AirPods in the future, select disconnect. Because with Forget this device we will totally remove them from the MacBook. So forget this device and forget device. Now we can put these earbuds to the charging case and close the case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!